Lixiping Art Village is located in Shiping Village, Zhuolan Township. In 2020, it launched the Rural Sensory Art Festival. It integrated diverse local industries and invited renowned artists to participate, allowing locals and visitors to enjoy art together. The works here not only won the 2023 American Muse Design Awards, earning silver in the landscape sculpture and public art categories, but also in 2024 claimed the Gold Award in the 3rd National Rural Competition. It is known as an open-air museum, a truly idyllic paradise.
The name of this piece is Woodland Spirit Guide.
Woodland Spirit Guide.
Yes, it's a bit of a tongue twister.
It looks like a centaur.
Yes, kind of like a centaur. That's because it's made of different types of wood and it's all driftwood, collected driftwood.
Oh.
So why is it called woodland? It's because the wood comes from the mountains. After rainfall, driftwood slowly flows down, all from different parts, different branches, and possibly different tree species or varieties. Yes, because it's all driftwood, there's no fixed type. We hope that art in rural areas can feel closer to life.
With materials for these creations not being something I specifically went out to buy, but things found naturally in the environment, that's really wonderful. Do we have any other works that we can look at?
Sure.
Wow, this piece is so colorful. Does the artist seem to have a childlike spirit?
Sort of.
But I'm more curious, why does it have the shape of an airplane?
Actually, this place, Lixiping, was once used during the Japanese colonial period as a kamikaze airfield. Combat missions, kamikaze missions, where the planes went on one-way trips.
So this was also an airfield. No wonder it has the shape of an airplane. I thought the animals and fruits here were local features, but I didn't expect an airplane shape. It turns out it's because this used to be an airfield.
Right, it has historical significance, and the name of this piece is Coronation.
Coronation, right.
Right. Well, why is it called Coronation? It's like putting on a gold medal. We won the Gold Medal Rural Award, so we wanted this piece to have the feeling of putting on a crown or coronation, symbolizing moving up a level. The works of the Rural Sensory Art Festival are very much integrated with the local area and are always open to everyone. It's not a place where you need to buy a ticket to enter.
Yeah, there's no sense of division or barrier.
Right.
It turns out that in this small art village, there are already so many artworks collected, and there are no fences. They're open for everyone to enjoy. This year's event even invited everyone to build a kiln. Local residents and children were invited to create an earthen kiln, producing an artwork that combines aesthetic beauty and practicality. At the curator's invitation, I was also honored to participate in this event. Hi, sir. Hello. What are you doing today? I'm making a kiln for our rural village here. A kiln? Yes. Can I help in any way? Of course. First, you need to do what I'm doing. Go barefoot. Is that okay? Sure. All right, welcome. This is soil from Shiping. We're using local rural soil from Shiping, and we mix in a bit of clay and yellow soil. This increases the stickiness. When making a kiln, this reduces the severity of cracks. Since our hands aren't strong enough, we use our feet to stomp the soil, which increases its stickiness even more. We use our feet to stomp the soil, making it even stickier. Using my feet? You can't use hands, it has to be the feet? Right, because hands aren't strong enough. Come on, join me. We just step down like this. Step on it. Can you do it? This feels like... Or do you want me to hold your hand? This is so soft. Isn't it really soft? It's actually quite therapeutic. It is. With hands, it's like a stress ball. Using feet, this is like a foot stress ball. All right, they're very unique. Is this about done? It's about done. Come on. If it's this sticky and it sticks to your hands, it means the stickiness is pretty good. Oh, this level of stickiness is just right. Yes, exactly. All right, this is good. Shape it into a ball? Yes, our task now is to shape it into a ball about the size of your palm. Then we'll use this to build our kiln. The ball should be about this size. This year's theme is creating with clay, right? Yes, we call it Kiln Creations Everywhere. We're creating a kiln that our community and rural area at large can use. Oh, are we ready? Where do we build the kiln? It's behind us. Oh, this? Yes. I thought this was already finished. Not yet. Come on, help me move it to the front. All right, thank you. Okay. This looks like... Oh, I know. My house has one, a tabby cat. No. No? Here's a hint. It's one of Miaoli's biggest features. What could it be? Could it be the Formosan clouded leopard? That's right, it's the Formosan clouded leopard. But it seems like there's something a bit... What's the difference between a leopard and a tabby? The first difference is their markings. So with the clay blocks we just shaped, we now need to complete the final 20%. We'll sculpt them further to make the design more beautiful. The main purpose of making this kiln is to provide our community starting this year with a kiln that everyone can use. For example, if someone needs to bake pizza or cook food, they can come here to use it. Just come here to use it. Oh, they can use it here directly. That's right. That's great. It's not just a work of art. Exactly. Typically, art feels almost in a way distant and lofty, unrelated to our lives. But rural art is very different. This is sensory rural art. So essentially, the artwork we create is connected to our daily lives. Approachable and practical. Exactly. Why did this art village get the inspiration to combine such traditional rural elements with modernity?
Well, everyone has their own specialties and strengths to give back to the community. For example, the earthen kiln we made today, it's like expanding the concept of a home to the community level, giving everyone a stronger sense of home. As for the art festival, my hope is to bring people together to unite the local community. Once the locals have a shared vision and build collective strength, I believe we'll have even more power to reach outward and do more together.
Yes, to promote our culture beyond this place. Visiting Zhuolan's rural areas, besides artistic activities, tree climbing experiences are another interesting local activity. Using safe and complex tree working rope techniques, this activity helps kids and adults alike rediscover and redefine the joys of childhood. Coach, what do we need to prepare for tree climbing?
The main thing is that we must wear the proper gear. For example, make sure to wear the helmet correctly.
Like this.
Then we should first observe the state of the tree, checking for any abnormal leaf fall. You see it? The entire tree, even though it's already autumn, is still lush and green. A tree like this is very healthy.
Oh, it's really healthy.
What do you think defines a breakthrough?
A breakthrough? A breakthrough is being better today than yesterday.
Let me share my perspective with you. Personally, I think a breakthrough in tree climbing means adding one more level to my existing ability. For example, if I could originally climb 1 meter, then going 1 centimeter higher, or taking one more step upward, don't you think that's a breakthrough?
Yeah, that is still progress.
You don't have to climb to a certain height to be successful. We just do our best while not getting hurt. That's it. Okay.
Check. I'm ready.
Start the challenge.
Check. Start the challenge.
You're good to go. It's not that easy.
Whoa. It's shaky.
Keep going. Try not to use your hands for support. Avoid rubbing against the bark. Remember that.
Oh. Okay.
Alright, step over first. Your foot should step over first. Yes, very good.
I finished the first stage.
Yes, you did it.
Well, you really need to have a good sense of balance.
Yes, it takes some getting used to this height.
From the ground, it seems easy. It's not so easy from up here.
Just do a half squat. Don't use your hands. It's kind of like centipede racing.
Wait. How do I keep moving again? I'm kind of stuck right now.
Try to stand up. See if you can't move around a bit.
There's limited space. Like this?
Yes, and when you're almost there, bend over and pick it up.
Okay.
Just move forward a bit, kind of like, careful, keep your balance.
Move. Walking on the log was challenging because when you walk, you can only rely on your feet. You have nothing to hold on to. It makes you panic, and the log is also circular, so if you don't steady yourself, you could fall down at any time. But when I looked down, everyone was cheering me on, just applauding me, so I felt like I could inch forward. Like the coach said, even if you only move forward by 1 centimeter, that's still making progress. Like this?
Okay, now try to ring the bell of happiness. You need to reach out your hands. Yes, shake it. Shake it. Okay, stage 2 clear.
Okay.
Right. And you can step on it. From there, you can step on it. Support your body with your hands so that the rope is in front of you.
It's in front of me now.
Okay, good. Just 2 more steps to go.
Okay.
Okay, move the certificate a bit.
Okay. And give myself an award. Da, 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 da.
Congratulations!
Ah! Oops! The medal! Ah!
Oops, both fell.
I dropped the medal.
It's okay, just come back down. You've earned it. Congratulations!
We did it! That felt really exciting, really, because I've never climbed a tree before. Attempting something you haven't done, and you'll find out that there are things you can do after all.